Hi guys, my name is Chandel. If you haven't been here, if you have, then welcome back. I wanted to show you guys today. Sorry, I'm in my bathroom and there's like a giant window here, so my lighting is gonna be off. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys today my process of waxing my legs. So I used to wax my legs all the time, but then after this coronavirus thing happened, I like literally haven't been out anywhere because I'm pregnant and I have a little baby in the house and I have my parents who are like high risk. I used to do strip wax. Oh my god, sorry, I'm on my knees and it hurts really bad. But I used to do strip wax on my legs all the time, but I haven't recently, so we'll see if it like hurts really bad. I got this new wax that I haven't used yet on Amazon called Parissa. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out and like show you guys my process kind of how to do it, and yeah. So this is a wax. It's called Parissa warm wax. Can you guys see that? Okay, it's microwavable. So everything that it comes with, I'm honestly not sure how long to microwave it for. So this, oops. But this one actually comes like this. Comes like this, and you actually microwave it yourself, then apply the strips, or you apply it with this stick, then you apply the strips, and then whoosh, you know the drill. Blah blah blah. Do not clean the skin. It says skin should not be cleaned before using this product. Is that not weird? Honestly, that's weird. Okay, you guys, so I do want to mention what is in the box. So the box comes with these three like wooden sticks for application. This one's smaller than these, but these two are the same. It also comes with this just a warm wax and quite a bunch of strips actually. I'm not going to count them because no, but there are a lot there. And it also comes with this, but to be honest, I don't know what it is. It just says Parissa.com. Oh, okay. I think this is the azulene oil. So it did say that it comes with azulene oil, but I was like, I thought that was just in the wax. Like, oops. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm applying it in the wrong direction. You guys, this wax is awesome. It doesn't hurt one bit. It actually feels great. Literally, guys, like, I kid you not, this wax does not hurt one bit. It, like, obviously there's like a tiny little sting in the beginning, but what are you gonna do? You're waxing your legs at the end of the day, right? You guys, this doesn't hurt at all. This is amazing. Okay, so this is, okay, I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but this is my first time using this wax, and I'm just so happy. I'm obviously gonna get this all the time now because it is painless. Which is awesome to me. Go ahead. You guys, this is so painless. Like, it literally feels like I'm not doing anything. It feels like I have a sticker on my skin and I'm just like peeling the sticker off. Okay guys, so I finally finished and kind of cleaned up the area where I was waxing my legs. So what I have to say about that wax is that it is amazing. Like, if you're thinking about waxing your own legs or underarms, your lip, or whatever the case may be, I highly, highly, highly recommend that wax. It is such a good like formula where it's really sticky, but once you rip off that strip, it doesn't hurt one bit. Like, there's obviously like a tiny, tiny, tiny little sting, but personally it actually felt amazing, and it was such an easy process. The only thing I have to say is that if you are a first-time user, or like this is your first time waxing yourself, which it was for me because I've never really applied it myself and put the strip on and then like wax myself, but it was a little bit messy, but nothing like that you can't handle, honestly. The wax that I got, that Parissa wax with that whole kit with the strips, the sticks, the wax, was only $13 on Amazon, guys. So like, you're saving so much money by waxing yourself rather than like going into a salon and getting your legs waxed. I know at my salon, I think just for the bottom half, so like under the knee, honestly I don't know, but I want to say it's over $20. So it definitely is over $20, but whatever the price may be, the $13 wax kit definitely beats it. So I would definitely recommend this wax to you guys. And sorry, I'm like playing with I have like wax on my nails and it's like really sticky, but I can't really get it off. So yeah, so to finish off waxing my legs, I just added some of that that little blue spray thing was oil, and then on top of that I added coconut oil myself, just because I always put on coconut oil after I shave or wax. And my legs honestly look amazing. I don't want to show them right now because they're like oily and weird looking, but they're completely hair free, and the process was super easy and honestly kind of fun. So if you guys are looking into a wax, I'll link it below, and let me know what you guys think if you purchase it and try it yourself. So yeah, I think that's it. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you come back to watch any of my other videos. If not, then just thank you for watching this one. Yeah.